Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my garage. Alright, today we're going to go ahead and I'm going to change the tailgate lock system on this '08 Mercury Mariner. It is stuck in it, it won't lock. So you're not going to be able, your tailgate's just going to bounce up and down. Also, you get an indication on your dash saying it's not locked, because that is all. You got a switch in here that sets in the whole scenario here. I'm going to go ahead and change that out. You can see that the tailgate a little rusted through, so I'm going to use my magic foam, fill that in, and you know, make it look a little bit, hold it together and keep some moisture out of there. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and change that. We gotta pull that trim first to get in here. So those are maybe Phillips holding this together. Now these are star tips. I think they're might be 10s or 20 T20s. You work with it so much. Adapter on my freaking gun. Head point here. Yeah. Cool. What else? Now we'll go about, drop it down. Now we have access to the back of this. And unfortunately, it's not the same. It's not the same thing. Yeah. I thought he had a match for it, but it's not. I'm gonna steal it off of another one. Oh, no. Wrong side. One there. Ah, you killing me. Not the same one. That might fit an 8. An 8. This is just jumped over the loop. So we're not talking the same one here. Let's see if I can try to get that lock at the moment. And sometimes the spring. I got 3 in it, so good. And they can pull right out like so. Let's see if I can get. This has got a locking. And then it also has an electric lock. So this is what we're looking at. It's really simple to change, because it doesn't have a pop. It doesn't have a pop lock. on it. It's got electric lock. And when you push the button, it unlocks it on you. So what we got going here, see if I can get it. Huh. Let's see how this works. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, we're back. What we got here is we got a little guillotine back in the bottom down there. And it's froze up because, of course, the door's all gummed up. But it's not gonna, still isn't gonna do it. I just got to get it lubed up. But even just by tapping it with a little hammer here, that'll now go back down there. Push down, just like you were locking the door, and she's now locked. And I just gotta keep putting some blaster in there, get that all cleaned up. And then now, when you push your little button underneath the tailgate, this is a little motor, and it spins. I believe it's got some sort of corkscrew in there. And it's going to pull this back. And once you do, it's going to release it. So now, at this point, when you go to shut your door, this is all spring loaded in here. And of course, like I said, it's rusted up. You take that, go down, and we're locked again. So simple cleaning, and should last a little longer. I don't know how often you open a tailgate, but that's all it was. So I'm not sure what that other lock device is. It's sitting in there. Of course, this, like I said, I just bought this vehicle from a buddy of mine. So get that blaster in there soaking, get stuff nice and clean. Alright, we'll play a little bit longer and show you how to put it back in. Like I said, you just have to pull those screws out with the trim, and then you get a set of, I believe they're T20s, to pull the bolts out of here. And of course you got your 2 cannon plugs. They're attached to it. So there we go. Stay tuned. Okay, took a little bit, but finally you can see the little hammer in there. It's kind of, there you go, right there. That's your hammer. It comes out. Now when the motor pulls that back, it drops, and then that pulls that back in. Now it should automatically come back out. And now you're locked again. You can see this little hammer right here. So get that lubed up really good, and you'll be good. Here, hammer comes back, releases, push down again, and it's locked. All right, let's get this back in. All right, let's get this put back in. Plug all our connectors in first. You got your door sensor, and then you got your actual mechanical. Yeah, because your water comes, because as you're going down the road, you got water coming up the back, or air coming up the back. So now you're bringing all that water up underneath your, and that's why this rusts out. They don't prime anything inside. So your air is coming right up underneath into here, and it's also coming into your lock. So oh man, it didn't work. Hey! Super tough. There you go. Alright, so next he's going to trim back up. Alright. Go put our screws back in. Get all the screws lined up. Find some foam. All right. That's that. Alright, huh? Alrighty, I like it. Let's see. Put it down. Okay, everything goes well. Oh, I gotta. Okay. Now, like I said, you got a button right here. Push the button. I should have released it. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What? Now what? Alright, stay tuned. Didn't do something right. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, I'm still not sure what I did, but whatever it is affecting the your hatch window as well. So I don't know exactly what happened. I'm not getting any power. I should be able to push that. The hatch should unlock, and if you push here, that should unlock this. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to override. Get in here and override that. So at least I can lock the trunk, right? Dang it. I can't unlock it. So in the meantime, let me pop this. I locked it and I left it locked. I gotta figure out what's going on with electrical. Got nothing to do with what I just did. Do that. Bring your butt back, unlock. Nothing's happening. Alright, so let's get back in there. I've got this unlocked though. All I gotta do is lock it. Just push down on it and it should lock like it's supposed to. Won't be able to open the trunk, but until I can figure out what's going on with electrical. I think it's a fuse. Trying to find the fuse. Fuses to this. There is a button. One thing about it, I was just messing with it before I was just messing with this thing. Before I put it together. Why not? Messing around. Again. Alright, screw it back in there again. Okay. You should know how to change the switch. Or the locking device. I don't know, it's rust. My hand's caught. I got some diving stuff I want to put in here. Alright, so here we go. There we are. She's secure. My phone. Ah, dog it. I didn't mean to do that yet. Oh, now you gotta figure out where to throw the phone in there. Next thing on this I gotta deal with is a front CV drive shaft. So, alright, thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on more of Dana's Garage. And this is Project Mariner. And this was changing out the tailgate locking mechanism. Lockdown mechanism.